morning sun. I'll be sitting when the evening comes, watching the ships roll in. Then I watch them roll away again. Yeah, I'm sitting on the dock of the bay, watching the tide roll away. Ooh, I'm sitting on the dock of the bay, wasting time. Looks like nothing is gonna change. Everything still remains the same. I can't do what the people tell me to do, so I guess I'll remain the same. Sitting here resting my bones, and this loneliness won't leave me alone. Hey there! Otis Redding with Sitting on a Dock of the Bay. Such a cool tune, so laid back, and such a cool rhythm. We're gonna break it down right now for you. You might wonder, why is he playing this with a capo on 5? Because the original doesn't have a capo. Well, it is my limited vocal range, so this is to accommodate my range of singing. So we're going to take that off. Whoop, there you go. And we're going to play it with the normal chords that Otis Redding plays. And here we go. I just played the verse, a chorus, and the bridge section. And once you manage to learn those, you know the entire song, because those are the only 3 sections in the whole tune. For your convenience, I've included a lesson PDF that you can download for free in the description of this video. My name is Jörg Salterman. Welcome to my channel. Take a moment to subscribe. Comments and a thumbs up are always appreciated. Thank you so much. So let's start with the verse chords and the verse strumming. For the chords, we have a G, we have a B7, we have a C, and we have an A. For a simple strumming pattern, you can play down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay? Now, if you want to make it a little bit more interesting, and what I do is the second down I chuck or mute, and then the last down I chuck again. So let me do that slow. This strumming gives it a little extra oomph, in my opinion. Just practice that. Or play. That works as well, okay? Either or, depending on your level of comfort. And of course, once you get really comfortable, you can change things up a little bit. You don't have to be so generic about strumming. For the intro, you can just play the G until you're ready to come in with the verse, okay? G, 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 B7, C, 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 A. G, 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 B7, C, 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 A. Okay, so that's how the verse goes. So you can practice that part. It's quite simple once you get into the rhythm. Now there's something else you can add. If you feel like it, I'm going to show it to you. It's a little walk between the C chord and the A chord, okay? So once we get to C, we do a down, chuck, up, 1, 2, 3, and then go to A. And you notice that I'm just using my index finger for the A, because that way I'm already in place pretty quick. Instead of getting these fingers in there for the normal A takes a lot of time, so I'm just doing the quickie here, okay? But you can practice both ways if you want to incorporate that. For the chorus, you can use the same strumming. We're going to go from G to E, back to G, back to E, back to G, and then to A, back to G, then back to E. Let me play it. G, E, G, 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 E, G, A, G, E. For the bridge, we use the G again, the D, the C again, and we're adding the F. We're going to play 3 sets of G, D, C. On a G, you play down, chuck up, and you do the same on a D. And you do the normal strumming on a C. The same as in the verse and chorus. You play that twice, and then on the third time you start off again. And then on the C, you just do the down, chuck up. And then you go to G and play. And then we'll go to F and do the normal. And then do D, do the normal. So I repeat, G, D, C, G, F, E. And then we'll go back into the third verse. So the structure of the song is we have the intro on G, then we have verse 1, chorus, verse 2, chorus, we have the bridge, we go into verse 3, chorus, and then we have this whistling section. I'm going to demonstrate that. I'm coming out of chorus number 3. So back and forth from G to E, and you can play it as long as you want, but slowly you can fade out and stop the song like that. Well, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I hope you enjoyed another of the rocking guitar lesson for mature beginners. And until next time, I will see you soon. Take care. Sitting in the morning sun, I'll be sitting when the evening comes, watching the ships roll in, then I watch them roll away again. Yeah, I'm sitting on the dock of the bay, watching the tide roll away. Ooh, I'm sitting on the dock of the bay, wasting time. Looks like nothing is gonna change. Everything still remains the same. I can't do what the people tell me to do, so I guess I'll remain the same. Sitting here resting my bones, I'm